Like a letter on the doorstep, showed up out of nowhere. Don't ask me where it came from. No, I don't know how it got there. I was in the middle, caught up in the little world of mine, trying hard to fill this fleeting life. So don't ask me where it came from, 'cause I don't know how it got there. All the good things come. All the good things come. They come when you're not looking. Ooh, no, I wasn't looking. On paper we were strangers, although it felt like a long time of holding one another. Even when we had a hard night, caught me by surprise when we didn't have to try to fall in love. Right time, right place for the both of us. So don't ask me how it happened. All I know is that you're still mine. All the good things come. All the good things come. They come when you're not looking. Ooh, no, I wasn't looking. Like the laughter after tears fall, an unexpected phone call, green lights on the way home. I wasn't looking for pennies on the pavement, they showed up anyway. All that's left to say is all the good things come. All the good things come. They come when you're not looking. Ooh, all the good things, all the good things, all the good things, all the good things. They come when you're not looking. Ooh, no, I wasn't looking. No, I wasn't looking. No, I wasn't looking.
I don't think I had a past life, 'cause this feels just like my first time to wake up with the sunrise and sleep beneath the tall pines. I've always been a rambler, I'm just looking for an answer, something to take into the next life and sleep beneath the tall pines. When I'm gone, plant your roots upon my tired bones, and I'll still be there when you need me most. So don't you ever worry, we're not out of time. And if you're worried, find me out with tall pines. Oh, you strike me like an old soul. You got a wisdom and it echoes. You marvel at the sunrise, and you're singing in the pale moonlight. I don't think I had a past life, 'cause I see everything with new eyes. I listen as the wind blows and sleep beneath the tall pines.